Hey, this is Dinner with Dad. I'm Marty McGinley, and today we are doing a product taste test. We are doing the crispy oil and its counterpart, the crispy oil extra hot. And to tell you the truth, guys, I am terrified of the extra hot. Well, let's get into it though. Okay, so like we're talking about crispy oils, I'm going to give you a brief history. What I recommend though is go down to the link. You'll see that I put down the website and their Instagram posts. They have their history there. In 2020, I think it was, they said they lost their 43-year-old family business because of COVID. They shut down in upstate New York. And in that process of figuring out what to do, where to go, they came up with this stuff. So I'm gonna open it up, we'll kind of pour it on a plate, we'll get the consistency, and then we'll do a taste test. So this is the regular one. And you can see, gosh, it smells so good. But you can see what they mean by crispy oil. So it's just a lot of garlic and, wow, look at this. That's crispy garlic. So I mean, you can pour it here and you can see the consistency of it. That's the regular oil. Let's see what the hot one looks like. It's probably gonna have more peppers, let's just be honest with it, right? I recommend, I mean, they probably tell you that too, but it usually goes to the bottom. And here's the hot one. So you can see, gosh, it smells so good. So fresh smelling. Yeah, you can see this one has probably a little bit more peppers in it. So I'm assuming, or if it sits longer, I'd like to find out about that. But let's give it a whirl. So I thought what we would do is we would go to, simple thing to do, nice plain bowl of ramen. And it's been sitting a little bit. So we'll probably take a little bit of this oil here, stick it on there, go to the bottom. Now they say you can put this on pizzas and burgers, and let's just give it a shot, you know? I mean, is it just too much? Probably the guys at Crispy Oil right now are watching this going, no, too much! That's spicy. But it's good spicy. It's kind of like when you go to like a Szechuan, you know, Chinese oils and stuff. You can, it's not like hot sauce spicy. It's in the back of my throat here. Really got a nice flavor to it. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna try the crispy extra hot one. I just realized my palate is probably with this. But on this, it just turned this ramen into a completely different dish. So I would go, like I said, check out the website below. I would give this stuff, I think I'm gonna, you know what you could probably do with this is you could probably, I would think cook with it, like in the aspect of like put it into doughs. Gosh, it's just so good. Maybe you fry it up with stuff too, like fry it up with if you do a stir fry. I'm gonna try to do a stir fry with this and use this instead of the regular sesame oil. I'm gonna try to use this hot crispy oil. So, okay, so we have this crispy oil, like I said. Thanks for coming here and watching this, and go check it out on the website, order it, see what you like, and come back next for another one.